Imagine a star as a cosmic machine gun, firing millions of tiny, glowing marbles across a black void until they finally smack into your retina. This cosmic birdshot model is the intuitive way we visualize light. Standard physics challenges this little object model. If light were composed of physical projectiles, those pellets would have rest mass and a defined location. Instead, light behaves like a wave, capable of interfering with itself and spreading across space in ways a solid pellet never could. The behavior of light becomes even stranger when we consider relativity. Because a photon has no rest mass, it has no valid rest frame. It cannot experience the passage of time or the endurance of a long journey. Motion theory proposes a shift in how we define physical structures. It treats what we call particles and forces as the results of motion organizing, coupling, and resolving, patterns that become detectable only when a system can absorb the rhythm. To understand light, we have to look past the traveling object and instead track the three-part life cycle of an electromagnetic event. Energetic. The first step in that life cycle is emission. A star, a violent, boiling ocean of plasma, is not throwing physical material into space. It is undergoing countless microscopic shifts in atomic motion. Inside that plasma, charged particles accelerate and electrons change energy states. These shifts create a structured electromagnetic disturbance that radiates outward from the source. We experience this as thermal radiation. The intense internal motion of matter bleeds outward, imprinting its organized rhythm into the surrounding environment. Authoritative. Emission represents the moment disorganized heat forces an organized electromagnetic rhythm to leak into the universe. Once released, this disturbance spreads as a distributed wave. Its intensity dilutes across the grid as the surface area quadruples, following the inverse square law. The energy is spread across an ever-expanding geometric sphere. This expansion is governed by c. In motion theory, this value represents the maximum synchronization rate of the universe, the absolute fastest rate at which the motion network can update a causal relationship. As the wave updates through the cosmos, it follows the geometry of space. Massive objects bend its path, stretching the incoming light motion into curved, distorted arcs. Over millions of years, the expansion of the universe itself stretches the rhythm of the wave. Its frequency lowers by the time it reaches a detector, a phenomenon known as redshift. Propagating light functions as a motion receipt, carrying the physical history of the gravity and cosmic expansion it encountered along the way. When that massive wave reaches Earth, your eye intercepts only a microscopic directional slice of the total pattern. Inside the retina, the light motion meets a rhodopsin molecule. Upon contact, the molecule absorbs the energy, causing its internal bonds to physically snap and shift into a new geometric configuration. This molecular retuning requires a specific, discrete chunk of motion transfer to occur. If the incoming rhythm doesn't match the required energy, the molecule will not change state. This localized molecular change marks the exact moment a distributed wave resolves into a countable event. We call that event a photon. This resolution addresses the wave-particle duality. The wave is the distributed pattern propagating through the void, while the particle is the local moment of measurable interaction with matter. The intensity of that interaction depends on the rhythm of the motion. A prism reveals this wide, distinct spectrum of frequencies. Low-frequency infrared gently increases molecular vibration, while high-frequency ultraviolet delivers enough concentrated motion transfer to break chemical bonds. This light motion also carries directional momentum. Across flat reflected grids like solar panels, the incoming motion physically pushes against matter, transferring real pressure that can be converted into electrical charge. Matter imprints its unique chemical signature into these motion structures. Because specific elements only accept specific rhythms, the light reaching our telescopes contains a map of the universe's composition. By reading the missing rhythms in a spectrum, we can determine the chemistry of a star billions of miles away without ever leaving our solar system. Modern astronomy depends on catching these surviving motion receipts. From its position suspended above the horizon, a telescope collects data emitted long before humans existed to interpret it. We have learned to manipulate this light motion, forcing it into the disciplined synchronization required for lasers and fiber optic communication. The marble myth fails because it treats the universe as a collection of isolated things. A motion-based perspective reveals an interconnected network where stars and eyes are linked through shared rhythm. Structured light motion connects the violent physics of a distant star directly to our own biology, bridging the gap between vast cosmic events